letter showing कि बाकी panels ने withdraw कर दिया
announcement का
जी.
So my lord, these are there. Then if your lordship may go back to page 192, how the Federal Election Commission is to conduct itself. Sikandar, you have taken my book, yeah? That's so good. My lord, Federal Election Commission. If an election commission shall be formed comprising following Federal Election Commission.
बात कर चुके हैं
सर, अगर आप
रिपीट ना करें कुछ.
नहीं सर, ठीक है. अगर आप सर पैराग्राफ 2 onwards देख लें, and then the functions, and then paragraph.
लास्ट इलेक्शंस कब हुए थे इनके? इस इलेक्शन से पहले ये कौन से इलेक्शन?
PTI के इलेक्शन सर लास्ट
पोलिंग डे 2 दिसंबर के इलेक्शन से पहले कौन से इलेक्शन हुए हैं?
2017.
डेट
19th June 2017.
19 जून 8 जून 2. तो ये कह रहे हैं 22 को हुए, आप कह रहे हैं 17 में हुए.
What happened was,
नहीं वो दिखाइए हमें, रिकॉर्ड से बताइए.
My lord, the 8th June 2022 intra-party elections were declared void by the Election Commission. My lord, the first order of the of the Election Commission deals with it, and that order of the Election Commission is at page 428 in part 2 of your lordship's file.
428. ये क्या कह रहा है ऑर्डर?
Sir, if your lordship will see, page 435, paragraph 424.
435. Paragraph?
Just paragraph 24, I'll read 5 lines and then I'll move on from here, my lord. We scrutinize all the documents provided by the CEC in respect of meetings of the General Council, as well as the alleged intra-party elections of various office bearers, but we did not satisfy therefrom the available records submitted by CEC that either the National Council dissolved and ever convened its meeting, or on 10th of June 2022 at this juncture. It would be pertinent to refer to various letters. Your lordship may
different dates for that election.
Each of these letters which are mentioned.
Conclude क्या कर रहे हैं ऑर्डर? क्या रहे हैं?
Sir, different dates were given to them, and
वो वाला portion पढ़ देना.
My lord, I'll read the
concluding क्या कर रहे हैं?
Letter dated 10th.
Lenient view लेके इसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि
आप आगे पढ़िए ना.
पैराग्राफ 34 पढ़िए, आखिरी पैराग्राफ है ना?
जी सर.
इसको थोड़ा जल्दी करें ना.
All right. Keeping in view the aforestated reasons, we are confirmed in our views that the respondent party failed to hold transparent, just and fair intra-party elections in accordance with its prevailing Constitution 2019, allegedly held on 10th June 2022, which is highly disputed, objectionable, which could not be accepted at all. Therefore, it is held that respondent party has failed to hold its intra-party election within the extended period of 1 year till 13th of June 2022, but we, instead of taking the final step to invoke the provision of section 215(5) of the election act.
215(5) क्या है?
215(5) ये कहता है सर कि अगर आपने अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से कंप्लाई नहीं किया और उसको 209 के साथ पढ़ के कि इलेक्शंस जो हैं वो इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं है, सो देन you will be denied a symbol. That's one of the consequences.
पढ़ते रहिए please.
A lenient view is taken with direction to the respondent party to hold its intra-party election strictly in accordance with the prevailing party constitution within 20 days positively, and its result along with all the required documents including Form 65 shall be submitted thereafter the election within 7 days before the commission. So this is taking a lenient view. They said hold elections. In case the respondent party fails to comply with directions of the commission and fails to hold its intra-party election within the prescribed 20 days, which will run from today, the date on which this order is announced, in such eventuality, the respondent will suffer the penal consequences of section 215, subsection 5 of Election Act accordingly, and would be ineligible to obtain an election symbol for election to Majlis-e-Shura Parliament.
ये चैलेंज हुआ ऑर्डर?
Sir, this was challenged before the Lahore High Court in a writ petition number 5791.
एक सेकंड.
in writ petition number 5791 of 2023.
5791
of 2023.
Order किधर है?
No, my lord, this is, I'm sorry, I've given you, lordship, the wrong number. Sorry, in WP number 81171.
81171
of 2023.
दोबारा क्या ये
81171 of 2023.
जी.
This, my lord, is at page 644 of your lordship's file.
Part 3.
Part 3. Yeah, this is that page
644.
644.
This is a copy of writ. Where is
Yes,
the order?
Yes, my lord. Then, no, my lord, no order is passed. What happens is that this is referred to a 5-member bench of the High Court. At 6:55.
ये जो क्वेश्चन ऑफ मेंटेनेबिलिटी पे एडजेंट हुआ ये
जी सर.
ये पढ़िए ऑर्डर.
Through the instant constitution petitioner, the petitioner has made the following prayer. In view of the foregoing, it is respectfully prayed that this honorable court may be pleased to declare and hold that the impugned order of 23rd November 23 is misconceived, quorum non judice, and set it aside inter alia on facts and grounds as urged herein above. Declare, find, and hold that the intra-party elections held on 10th of June 2022 had been validly held in accordance with the party constitution and law. Declare that amendment to Article 5, Clause 5 has been validly and lawfully made in accordance with law and party constitution. In the meanwhile, this court may kindly be pleased to suspend the operation of the impugned order dated 23rd November 2023 and restrain ECP from passing any further adverse order till final disposal of the title petition. Notice is issued. If your lordship will then turn the page to page 657. This was the last order prior
to be heard with WP's 332.
This, as your lordship will see, is fixed today.
ये 332 क्या चीज है? Page 2 of this order 656 इसमें लिखा है कि ये केस सुना जाएगा एक और केस के साथ WP.
There is some other case.
ये ऑर्डर तो ये बताता है मखदूम साहब 8/12/2023 का कि ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड दे हैव ऑलरेडी कंडक्टेड फ्रेश इलेक्शंस. ये सर ये 657 इसमें लिखा है ना बीच में व्हेन कंप्लेंट नहीं पड़ा है
ये
657 सर.
अच्छा ये ऑर्डर तो फिर ये 15/12 का आपने पढ़ा है.
जी सर. 8/12 का ऑर्डर उससे पहले का सर जो है
इसमें भी WP 332 का जिक्र है.
जी मगर उससे ऊपर जो लिखा है
when confronted with
ये 332 WP क्या चीज है?
Sir, there is another petition pending before a full bench of the court relating to other matters. I am not fully aware of it, what it is about.
अच्छा ये जो पिछले इलेक्शन हुए थे इनके जो आप कह रहे हैं जायज नहीं है वो कह रहे हैं जायज है, उनके रिजल्ट क्या है? इलेक्शन रिजल्ट आप कह रहे हैं ना कि ये जो इलेक्शन इनका कहना है कि ये 8/6/2022 के जो इलेक्शन थे इनके ये सही थे. आपको कहना है ये इलेक्शन सही नहीं थे. उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या हैं?
उसका सर उसके नतीजे पे दे हेल्ड अनदर इलेक्शन.
नतायज किधर है? कौन जीता?
This is the election which that is the election which your lordship saw where everybody was
नहीं, ये तो अभी के इलेक्शन की बात हो रही है ना. मैं 8/6/2022 के इलेक्शन का पूछ रहा हूँ. वो नतायज कहाँ है उसके? आप सवाल समझ गए?
They are not on the record. The reason why we have not brought them on the record is that they accepted the order of the election commission and they have.
वो वही लोग हैं जो कि ये मौजूदा हैं या अलग लोग थे?
My lord, we can check, but
खान साहब आप बता सकेंगे, इस पे रोशनी डाल सकेंगे?